I'm just getting tired and tired of seeing it. And I just have to express, ladies, I know you're thick. Some of you are thick and beautiful, and you like to dress in your tight clothes and all of this stuff. But please stop wearing the shirts that's like 2 sizes smaller than you, and your back fat is showing in the back. I am really getting tired of seeing that. And then plus your butt crack is showing at the same time. So please wear a shirt within your size. Make sure your ass crack is not showing, and you decide to wear a medium. Please do not wear a medium. Wear the large or extra large, so you make sure the shirt covers the exposed skin, because I am tired of seeing it. Please, ladies. I love females. Body is beautiful, but at times you just can't have your butt crack showing, the back fat. Please, just stop. Just